Okay, aloha guys. So today I'm making one real simple dish again, keeping with the theme of trying to make good dishes for on lesser price, yeah. But this one is super good. It's basically spicy garlic shrimp with black bean twist, yeah. Um, when we do this at our properties, we use the whole fermented black bean with a lot of garlic. But I know outside, especially in the mainland, hard to find unless you go Chinatown or something, or Asian market, hard to find the whole black bean. So everybody can find this, yeah. The black bean garlic sauce. Let me see if you can focus in on that, but everybody can get that. So we're gonna use that for this recipe. It's almost the same. It tastes pretty close, and you don't use too much of it anyway. The thing is super salty, so that's why we don't usually use that stuff. But we adjusted it a little bit so it won't be as salty and it'll be good. Anyway, so just the main ingredients. I got the chopped garlic, the black bean sauce, the black bean garlic sauce, sriracha. I get unsalted butter. Yeah, if you only have salted butter, it's okay. Just gotta lessen everything else. Watch the salt and salt and pepper, of course. But let me go put this thing together for you, and then I show you guys how this thing work out. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, the first thing you should do actually, yeah, is what I'm gonna do is this is just 2125 shrimp, and it's been peeled and deveined already. So what I'm gonna do is we just go add a little bit cornstarch, and we just gonna fluff the thing in cornstarch, little bit. All you like to do is give a small coating of cornstarch on the shrimp, and it's basically for just so the sauce kind of stick to the shrimp. You know what I mean? That's all. It kind of tenderizes the shrimp a little bit. Not gonna really build on crust or anything. Not gonna have like on crust. You know what I mean? Not gonna have like shrimp tempura or anything. But it's just gonna build on small. Give the shrimp some texture so the thing can hold the sauce. Yeah. So after you do that, let me go get the pan and everything over here, and then we'll start up the dish. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So in one pan, you can use one skillet or. I just using one non-stick pan, but you can also put it. You get your cast iron or whatever. That work out good. But I just only making little bits. So I just want to show you guys a smaller pan. Yeah. So I get about tablespoon and a half peanut oil heating up. You can use canola, vegetable, but try stay away again from olive oil. I say heating up kind of high, and then I bring my fire down to I get them on medium high right now. And I'm just going to add the shrimp inside, yeah? But the shrimp just stay tossed in cornstarch right now, okay? That's all it is I just give them one small coating of cornstarch, that's it. And I'm going to put them inside there. We like them, when we cook shrimp, when we at the restaurant or whatever, we like them when the thing is kind of really high and kind of smoky. But at home, hard to do that with the stoves and what you're working at home, so just get them as good as possible and let them go a little while, and then you'll catch up. Okay, so while you just put the shrimp inside, now just gonna add a little bit of salt. For me, a little bit salt, okay? Watch out the salt. Like I said, the black bean stuff is real salty, so just watch that. And then just a little bit pepper. Okay. Okay, now what we're going to do is the shrimp, your shrimp still get about 3-4 minutes of cooking, right? So right now I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter. What it is you don't like add the butter at the beginning too much. You just let the thing kind of melt down here. Just adding big packs inside. So what it is I just get the shrimp mixed around with the butter a little bit. Okay, and while your butter's still melting down, I add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Now, it's up to you how much garlic you guys like, but garlic is garlic, right? I mean, the thing not gonna be overpowered with garlic or anything like that. If that's what you guys thinking. So, okay. Now I'm gonna add the sriracha. Now the sriracha is up to you guys how hot you guys like them. I'm gonna add about, this is about 2 tablespoons myself, okay? I know guys gonna add a lot more, I know guys gonna add a little less, so that's up to you guys. And just get them going a little bit, okay? I get a similar recipe to this on my channel. I did them at my dad's restaurant, but okay. So you're almost done already. I mean, the shrimp is almost cooked. The last step we're gonna put inside is the black bean sauce. So this one you gotta watch out, okay? I get about 1 teaspoon, maybe 1 heaping teaspoon, and that's it. Anything more than that, you're really going to turn this dish kind of salty. But trust me, just with that little bit black bean, change the whole structure of this dish, change the whole flavor profile of this dish. And the thing just make them wonderful. You get that typical black bean taste, but now with the butter and the garlic, the spice, and then sriracha, really make them taste very unique. The taste, and I'm sure you guys gonna love this. And that's it, guys. Turn up your fire. That's it. Okay, so that's it. What you guys can do is take the shrimp out of the pan and reduce the sauce some more, but just like this, the thing is, oh no. Let me go plate them up for you and I'll show you guys what the thing look like. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final product right here, yeah? So some of the questions that guys usually ask me when we do this recipe is, so you're looking at vegetables. Oh yeah, you can add onion, bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, whatever. Zucchini goes good inside this thing. Eggplant, you can add eggplant. Just remember, when you use peppers, the thing will change up the flavor profile a little bit, yeah? Some guys like them super hot. They add more sriracha, or they even put some Thai chilies inside, even jalapenos. Again, gonna change the flavor profile a little bit, but still gonna get that basic black bean butter garlic, yeah? You can squeeze lime on this after. You squeeze lime, the thing, oh no, we always serve this. And when we serve them in the restaurant at the hotel, we serve them with 1 lime wedge, because when you squeeze lime on top, the thing tastes really good. Lemon, same thing, but lime giving one just better flavor. So you can put vegetables. One of our cooks, he actually at one point made this. He even blanched baby bok choy and he would add them on the side. Guys may love that too. So there's a lot of things you can add to this basic recipe right here. But again, just like that, it's just oh no. I mean, yeah, you guys could give them a try. Look like a lot of garlic, yeah, but it's not. Actually, we put more garlic when we're using the regular fermented black bean, the whole black bean. We use a lot more garlic than this, and we don't use garlic out of the bottle. We buffalo chop our own garlic, you know, in house. So still, the flavor is still pretty there. You know what I mean? So the buffalo chop garlic's a little stronger garlic flavor. Yeah, give this recipe a try, guys. You guys gonna really love it. Like I said, we get more recipes coming up. I know guys waiting for the tonkatsu recipe, but nobody wanted to eat tonkatsu at home yet. Everybody like eat shrimp, so we make some more shrimp recipes. Anyway, that coming up too. I also get one beef. Next week we get on small party, so we're making one. It's like one katsu dish with beef. We're using thin slice chuck steak, but we're using that and we make them into katsu curry. So I'll go show you, since we're gonna make that, I'll go show you guys how that down. It's super simple. We're using coconut curry at the end. We're using the Japanese curry too, so gonna be super simple for me. But I will show you guys the rest. That should be coming up in about a week's time. Today is on weekday, so this coming up weekend we're gonna do them. So probably next week sometime I'll put the video out. Anyway, this video getting too long, so you guys take care out there. You guys stay safe, and when you guys making this dish, just adjust to the kind. At the end of this me talking all this nonsense, I'm gonna have one recipe on the end for you guys. Okay. Anyway, take care again. You guys stay safe, and you guys always stay blessed. Yeah. You guys always know Jesus love you guys, and no matter what, right, you can take care of everything. All right. Take care. Stay blessed, and we shall see you guys on the next video. Aloha.